Two things disturb me extremely bad about the Majah Hype situation. Zin? Two things disturb me extremely bad.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
When this whole scenario started to play out on social media, just yesterday morning, Majah Hype had over 1.2 million followers on his Instagram platform. Just a few hours later, Majah Hype lost over 100,000 followers. And while many persons may be upset about the things Majah Hype allegedly did, his fans, some of them still saying them nah stop supporting the entertainer until they hear his version of the story. Well, Footah Hype expressed his disgust to some of the things that Majah Hype allegedly did. And two things in specific Footah Hype spoke about. And we are going to take a listen to what Footah Hype talk about right now. But before that, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button so once we upload a video, you will get notified. Come we go hear what Footah Hype upset about.
Majah somebody who I know a long time. When me there with Aisha, I used to there with one of Aisha and a friend. See? I never think him knows, so me know that, but I know that. See? But I never said nothing to him yet about that. So we know the thing. Now, first thing will fully upset me about the Majah situation. What you have to play with my youth? You can't play with we in a dog. Because we really actually care for people in the same industry as we care for people on our whole. So if you are going to say you have a heart attack and make everybody get sorrowful and grieve for you, that hurt me. Come even reach out to Majah. And I said, brother, remember, say we have the herbal doctor, the alkaline doctor, the electric doctor. We can help up these things in a dog. And him send me back and say, give thanks, brother, for reaching out, good looking out. And me really in sympathy because me I say, yo, Majah, him thing I go on, him, you know, he might do good. Zine? Then this girl here, I gonna make a valid point now when she say, show your discharge papers. Make them see what was your condition. If you're not sure that in a Majah, you're in trouble, you know. Or you can fake a heart attack, youth. Or you can put that on we. Or you can put that on we. Your co-worker, your friends, your family, people in the outer world. Oh no, do that. Or you can do that too. Be a selector upon phone, Twitcher call and say, Johnny Star, Major Star, you know, whole are we afraid? The whole are we afraid, the whole are we don't want nothing happen to you like that. Heart attack a serious something, dog. You understand what I say? Then, second thing I'm fully upset about. No, she have a valid point. Remember America, they show your letter, say you did have a heart attack. Show your discharge paper, say you did have a heart attack. And then me just come up here and diss that girl a wicked. You understand what I say? It's like when me and my baby mother didn't mash up. And me I say, yo, me can show my title, my car title with my name. Tell her if you show for her own. At the time, the car never in her name. So, these things are things where you can't go around. You understand? So, when me I say no, Majah, in order for you to win back my trust towards the heart attack something here where me hurt about, because if I really lie I tell about that, my youth, you need help too. If you tell lie about a heart attack and post a picture with be a drip and sitting in a you and a lie, brother, me I tell you, dog, me don't know what you can tell me upon earth for me believe in a dog. My youth, that deceitful that of the word, brother, publicly, you do that, you know. So if that a lie in a dog, something, yo. Next thing when me earth for. And when I come over here and go and like say, me perfect. Footah is a dirty man. Footah have more than one woman. Footah cheat on him woman. Footah and Aisha, I used to fight and beat him. Me nah go around and say me perfect. One thing you can't say about me do. Certain things me not do. I'm gonna show you the next hurtful part of Majah Hype situation. I don't even know him girl name. When we see them from there, that's why I'm telling you sometimes people, when you see people on the internet and I talk about relationship goals, be careful what you ask for. You understand? Be careful what you ask for. The man put out a sex tape. The man put out a sex tape. Brother, that are the lowest, fuck-upest, lowest, dumbest, lamest shit you could have ever do, dog. Me, no rate no man we do them thing the dog. No man. Where girl give your head or girl give your you find girl video and let out that on the internet, you're mad? Are you crazy youth? What you think that I gotta do? Make you get back good with the people them are brother, me could have do that to a whole heap of females. Footah Hype, the man who say the dirty man. The man. The man who look clout and you know how much name brand top girls I could have done that too. Me not talk regular girl neither. Me talk name brand, top a top. In a full no eyes. Both in a entertainment and out of entertainment. You know how much of them me could have do that? I would never do that. I would never do that. Are you dumb? I would have never do that, brother. Me not believe in that part there, brother. Me not believe in that part there. Don't tear up. Now they destroy the girl life. It's not even social media life, brother. Me wouldn't do that. First thing, if a girl give a blowjob, it's a privilege. If a girl give a it's a privilege. Me thank every girl in her life for ever give me pum pum. Because them never have to do it. You understand me? I say, them never have to do it. Now. For you put out a sex tape when she have a child, brother. When you have sister, when you have mother. When, damn, me nah do that, brother. Me nah do that. Somebody say, but they don't have a kid together. It doesn't matter though. It's somebody's daughter, that dog. Or somebody's sister. Or somebody's mother, my youth. You understand me? I say, dog? We not do them thing, the dog. You never see me do that. You never see me do that. You don't think I have me not have none? Like seriously? You don't think me not have none? I would never do that to my baby mother. I would never do that to my girlfriend. I would never do that to a girl that I'm looking. Me not do it. As a matter of fact, me they even video sex and them thing there. You know much time, girl. Oh, send it would make me see it. I can see what. Me send them my eggplant in the message. Look pan that. Look pan that. Me now send me wood gun away. And when me and girl have sex, me now watch the video. Me have the video in my memory. Me alright with that. How can you do that? Oh, you not think about the future of the female? Like, how you do that? What that I gotta do? That I'll make you get props? That now make you get no props, rude boy. Even, alright, even if you did go in your house, catch her up, and you have the video, dog, and you're not mash up, don't send that out like that, dog. Like big man thing, dog. She have a son, my lord. Yo. Something wrong with the world, you know. Something wrong with the world. Big man thing, if Majah want vex, film thing. At the end of the day, me rate him not for rate me. You see me? But when you go low, dog. You see? I mean, I want nobody tell me about me should have called Majah phone and rate. It's a public thing, you send it in a public space. That way you put out with she, now go ever can take back in. How she go face her parents? How she go face her father and her mother? When she go to the mall now, how she go react? When she walk through the mall and some little Yankee nigga say, yo, that's the I see taking the pipe in the bathroom. Yo, you take a dick good. Just miss. She could have anxiety and start take pill and start. Yo, dog, come on, man. Come on, dog. You should have never do that, dog. Lose for that, dog. Me lose off of that and the fake heart attack. Well, me not say a fake heart attack yet, because I'm not sure. You have to post a paper there because you say, okay, discharge paper say heart attack, and we are cool where that is concerned. That part I know with the video, you should have never done that, my G. Never. Of course it's a crime. But the girl said she don't want to press no charge. She still a word. Yo. And then yet still people say me a dirty man. I mean, me have limits to my life, you know. Me have limits to my life. Look how my baby mother drag me and tear me and diss me and sing all kind of song and talk all kind of sitting. Me coulda do that if fi clap back. Me coulda do that fi clap back. Me coulda try style her with them look or something there, but them think that boy thing, dog. Doesn't matter if she might go back to him or not. When I look on the wrong thing, dog. You do not do that to females, man. You don't do that to females. That is something when now go disappear, dog. You understand? Yo, I don't know where I got you, brother. That's why I'm telling you, say, when you not got you things, you know, if you talk in my you. Don't keep it inside. Don't keep it inside and mad on yourself, dog. You understand? Don't keep it. Tell somebody, dog. Let it out. Talk. Don't worry about what the public are going to say. Talk. Tell people, dog. You can't keep it to make it do. Because when something really a beat them way there, and then you know, question yourself and answer yourself in your head, dog. Can't work. Can't work. You have to tell somebody. Remember when I find out about my situation, you know, and me tell the man from the English interview, you know, and me tell instead of me go to studio, go tell everybody. Me not keep it in a me, I'm mad. Me tell everybody. Me walk and tell everybody. Cause me now hold it. And go drive and crash and dead, I'm mad. You understand me now? Hold it, dog. Make a talk. Say, yo, she give me bun, she clot me. The girl are wicked, me now hold it.
Alright, well, me agree with everything where Footah Hype officer right there, so. Because, yo, me personally feel like that is the lowest move ever any man could ever take in releasing a sex tape. Right? Back in the day, a woman we know of normally do them thing there, right? I'm not saying that if a woman do it, it is right, neither. But if you see a man do it, low. Really, really low. Right? And if the heart attack thing never real, that is even extremely low. Honestly, people, talk to me down in the comment section, more for hear. And one other thing me I go point out to as a matter of fact. People, me I beg you know, stop the victim bashing. Because me see in the comment section, whole heap of against the girl, right? Like some stupid questions where you ask like, why speak out? No. That don't make no sense. It sounds like you say, okay, so she never speak out from its start. 10 years later, she still not fi speak out, she fi just continue taking it. What you say now make no sense. But, my opinion that. Talk to me down in the comment section, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.